both Anthony Solomon and myself were very much involved in the corporate world. Both of us had extensive experience. I was working at a large mining house and he in the food and beverage industry. So why did we decide to take that step from these comfortable jobs where we were advancing into senior positions and move and leave that world and start a law firm? My experience of the mining industry was that I was involved in major restructuring, extensive strikes. I was working at a time when there was a change in union membership, the rise of AMCU. This resulted in a lot of organizational rights disputes, strike issues, and all of that created a great wealth of knowledge that I felt I could take into a law firm. And I reached a stage where I was realizing that the attorneys I was instructing, I almost had to advise them of the law because I was in a position where I was more familiar. I had been dealing with more complex issues. I had reached a stage where I was signing off invoices where we were being billed for ridiculous things like packing cars, boots to go on trips. We wanted to create a niche employment law firm where we could share our expertise and also do it in a lot more cost-effective manner. So that was our intention with setting up the law firm. We were able to take our expertise that we had acquired on the ground at the coalface and then move that into a law firm. The reason why we have been able to retain and we have a loyal base of clients is because not only do we have that legal knowledge, but we also have practical knowledge because we have been at the coalface. We have managed strikes. We have managed big Section 189 restructuring processes. So one of my clients the other day who's moved from a mining house to another big corporate was sort of reflecting and saying, the legal advice he's now getting is so academic and theoretical that he cannot implement it in practice. And he said, the knowledge that we are able to bring to the table is so much more rounded because we've actually been there. We've actually know what it's like to be part of wage negotiations, to engage directly with unions, to be intimately involved in 189 processes. We have done it. For many years, we have led those processes, driven them, project managed restructurings.